What's up, YouTube fam? It's your girl Sage coming back with a brand new health and wellness video. In this video, I am discussing with you guys why burning sage or smudging your home is important and the benefits of why smudging is important. So if you want to know more about what my reviews are with smudging, continue to watch this video. You have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscription button and make sure you turn your post notifications on so you don't miss any brand new content when I do post a video. Now, smudging is very important. I've been actually smudging or burning sage to get any type of negative energies out of my home, and some people will say it's all about what you believe and this and that, but I just want to make sure it's a disclaimer out there that I believe in Christ and I'm not doing any type of rituals. I'm not doing burning sage or smudging to get any type of demonic spirits or any type of spiritual warfare or anything like that. I'm actually doing it to cleanse my home. And I have found that smudging my home, there is great benefits. I have anxiety really bad, so it helps with anxiety. I do have a good night to rest. When you're done smudging, to let the fire out, you basically just let it out, or whatnot. Usually I just let it sit in there and it just basically, lets itself out or whatnot, but that's supposed to represent the earth. Again, I just smudge my home for energies, negative energy. Now, this is my used sage. Of course, you can see the sage. I've been using it. I will burn it so you guys can see exactly how it looks, because it has to have a thick smoke. When you smudge, it has to be pretty thick. So that's the sage. And then my Palo Santos, I don't have a new one, but it's a stick, right? So this has been used, but with Palo Santos, it doesn't burn long, okay? It has a very sweet aroma, like fragrance to it. Like, I love it. And again, this is used to get rid of negative energy and to keep your positive energy. So with the sage, of course, gets rid of all the negative energy, but this one also keeps the positive or the good energy and gets rid of the negative energy. So I'm going to go ahead and burn, because it says to burn both at the same time. But again, the Palo Santos, it doesn't burn like the sage does. So let me go ahead and do that for you. And I'm not going to smudge my home or anything like that. I've been doing it for the past couple of days, and to be honest with you, I've had this headache, and for some reason, again, it does help with anxiety, which I suffer from anxiety really bad, and I can sleep well at night, so it helps with that. So there, with saging, there are some really good benefits with saging or smudging your home, and I'm going to put all this information in the description below so you guys can research some stuff yourself, and just, educate yourself on sage, smudging, Palo Santos, you know, and if you want to try it, then please try it. I'm all about protecting my peace, and again, if this works for me and works for you, then why not, right? So it's not very thick because I'm only showing you all, so you'll know what it looks like as far as when it's burning. So this is how the sage looks when it's burning. Okay, again, it's supposed to have like a thick thick smoke, so that way you can smudge your home. Now when you start smudging your home, you definitely have to go make sure you get in the corners, and it tells you to start by the front door, I believe. I think it's counterclockwise, and then you work your way in your home and smudge your entire house. And make sure you have your windows and your doors open, so that negative energy has to go somewhere, so it has to go outside, so that way you can release that negative energy out of your home. Make sure you do your crown chakra, your throat chakra. Just make sure when you're done with your home, you make sure that you are smudging, or make sure that you're cleansing yourself. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment and let me know what your thoughts are on this video. Please keep it positive, no negativity on my channel. Everyone has opinions, and what works for me and someone else may not work for you. So let's just keep it positive on this channel, and I would love to know your thoughts. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your continuous support as always, and I will see you guys in my next video. So take care and be well.